Welcome to Foodmaker's authentic taste of summer for 2021. Mint and chilli seasoning is a classic with a twist. Fresh garden mint and a good hit of chilli go together to make a fantastic seasoning which works so well as a burger or a glaze, offering a traditional mint flavour with a heat of chilli. It fits in with our traditional food trend and call-out ingredient range, taking the customer on a journey, expanding the more traditional uses of mint. It has anti-inflammatory properties and is good for boosting the metabolism. We've served this burger topped with a mint and yoghurt sauce in a toasted brioche bun with a fennel and pear slaw and skin-on fries. A traditional seasoning with a twist. We're sure this will be popular next summer.